10 most iconic hero quotes from the most popular heroes in the world. From the pages of comic books to the silver screen, heroes have not only captured our imagination, but have also inspired us. Today, we'll go through 10 of the most iconic hero quotes from the most popular heroes in the world. Our first stop is Gotham, where beneath the bat signal, the caped crusader declares, "It's not who I am underneath, but what I do that defines me." A testament to how actions speak louder than words. Next, we journey to Krypton with Superman, the Man of Steel, who teaches us that you're much stronger than you think you are, reminding us of our innate capacity for greatness. From Krypton, we dive into the sea to meet Aquaman. This underwater king tells us, the sea is a harsh mistress, but that's why its love is so strong. A beautiful metaphor for overcoming challenges. We then rise from the depths and head to Amazonia to meet Wonder Woman. She imparts the wisdom, "It's about what you believe, and I believe in love." Her words resonate with the power of belief and love. Next, we swing onto the skyscrapers of New York City with Spider-Man, who tells us that with great power comes great responsibility. A timeless message about accountability. From there, we jet off to Asgard with Thor, who affirms, "I choose to run towards my problems and not away from them, because that's what heroes do." A battle cry for courage. We then traverse the realms to Wakanda, where Black Panther teaches us that, in times of crisis, the wise build bridges, while the foolish build barriers. A call for unity and wisdom. Next, we soar into the stars with Star-Lord, who reassures us, "Sometimes the thing you're searching for your whole life is right there by your side all along." A nod to the importance of appreciating what we have. We then teleport to the X Mansion, where Professor X exclaims, "Just because someone stumbles and loses their path doesn't mean they're lost forever." A lesson in hope and redemption. Finally, we return to Earth with Iron Man, the genius, billionaire, playboy, philanthropist who teaches us that part of the journey is the end. A poignant reminder that endings are just as important as beginnings. And that concludes our journey through the most iconic hero quotes. May their wisdom and courage inspire you as they have inspired millions around the world. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.